friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 17th to the 23rd. What curbside means for all the new shoppers is you're ordering this through the app, paying for it, hitting the box on the left-hand side of the green check and going and picking it up, lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Alternatively, if you are the kind of shopper that wants to be in store with the register rewards and you want to see what you're buying, I get it. I know a lot of shoppers prefer that. The in-store video is linked at the very end. Go and check it out. Lots of great deals this week over at Walgreens. I think a little bit of smoke was coming from my keyboard making that video. Unfortunately, with this, I'm not sure if they tweaked that 20 off a 2 coupon or it's been cleared at every store in the US, but unless you can put 2 into a cart, I really can't tell you guys if it's working or not. You might want to try it. A lot of us were getting these completely for free yesterday, but that might not be the case anymore. But it's maybe worth giving it a try and then letting us know in the comments down below if you're having any luck, and you have to do this one curbside as well. Now, before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps out me and the channel if you can like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so deal number one, we are doing a triple stack for this first one, which is really exciting. We have a 15 back when you spend 45 on Olay face cream. So this one, make sure you load it. And then if you were so lucky, a lot of us got a 12 back when you spend 60. So this is going to be another monster basket. And then a 3 back when you buy, it says 2+, but it's actually 3 of the P&G dental care. So these two, load them up for this specific deal. Okay, so the first item we're going to grab is 2 of these Olay Regenerous Anti-Aging Face Creams that does everything including your taxes for $24.99 at $49.98. And the 20 off a 2 digital coupon that's still there for me is in fact attaching. So that is pretty exciting. And then you also get your 15 back when you spend 45. Then we're going to add 3 of these cutie pies for $3.50 each for $10.50. We have a 3 off a 2 and a $1 digital coupon that's applying, so that's $4 off. There's also a 3 off a 3, but doing it this way, you're saving that extra buck, and that's the name of the game here, to try to save as much as you can. So I think this is definitely the way to go. The final item is a $7.99 Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick. And we have a $5 digital attaching. Now it says I have another $5 digital, but I only have one. So the app was just kind of acting up a little bit when I was putting this video together. I only specifically had one. Now, just to show you guys, here's our gorgeous chorus line. Using the code May15, I can save 15% off of a $35 basket. You can do this curbside. You unfortunately can't do this in store. And look at some of these gorgeous coupons that are coming off. That 20 off a 2, the $1 for the Crest, the 5 off for the Maybelline, along with the 3 off a 2. The overall total for this is $68.47, $4.95 melting off. So you're still at your thresholds for everything. Free curbside pickup, tax, $29 in coupons melting off. With your debit card, you're paying $38.33. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a cluster of boosters. And then you're getting back $32.68. This is extreme couponing and an extreme deal, and it's what we absolutely love on this channel. Okay, let's slide over with deal number 2. A couple of you were asking for lotion deals, so I have one for you. We're going to put 2 of these Nivea Q10 vitamin C lotions for $8.49 on a buy one, get one 50% off with a $3 digital. Put 2 of them in the cart. And then we're also going to go to IBOTTA and make sure that you have this rebate. You're going to get $6 back with this. So you're going to have to ask the cashier in a very nice way, hey, can you process this through a regular register so I can get a physical receipt so you can get your $6 back? Because that is pretty amazing. So double, triple check you have that rebate. And we're also going to toss in a Maybelline to get the math to balance and make sure that $5 digital is there as well. Okay, so taking a look at the chorus line, we have the Maybelline WAG 10 for $1.37 and then $3 coming off with the Nivea. Overall total for the basket is $21.72, subtracting WAG 10 and the $8 in digitals. A little bit of tax there, it's $13.57. You can use up to $10 of Walgreens cash. Get that receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA for $6 back, and call this a very good deal. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 3. This one is going to be heavy on some magic. The first is the 4 bags of the Doritos. You can either get the Cool Ranch or the nacho cheese. In the comments down below, tell me your favorite. We have a 3 off of 3 coupon if you did not use it last week. The promotion this week is buy one, get one for $1. That's why we have 4 here. We're also going to be tossing in 2 different CoverGirl products with the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Double, triple check your IBOTTA in the morning. Do you have the same rebate as I? Because there's one that's floating in, floating out. Even if you want to do the deal, I'm pretty sure the IBOTTA rebate will pop up later. It just always does. And then we have this little friend. So just a face cosmetic and then an eye cosmetic. And they're both attaching with the 5 off of 2. On IBOTTA with the time ticker of death, we have $6 back on each product for a face and an eye. So if you have the same rebate as I, you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular machine, regular register, so you can get that physical receipt to get your $6 back from IBOTTA. And we're all about cheap cosmetics. I mean, who isn't? Just to show you the little chorus line here, WAG 10 taking $1.13 off. We have a 3 off of 3 for the Doritos and that gorgeous 5 off of CoverGirl. So the overall total for your basket is $29.26. WAG 10 taking $1.13 off. Free curbside pickup, tax $8, $21.04. Ask for that receipt to get $6 back from IBOTTA. This is not a bad little deal. Okay, so before I take off into the big sunset, there is a burning question that a lot of you have about Pepsi, because it's buy 2, get 3 for free, and you cannot do it as a curbside pickup. And we also have a 3 off of 4 coupon that will make it a little bit cheaper. You got to do this one in store. I think they're trying to save the employees, their backs, and they're, just messing around with having to do curbside pickup, bringing stuff out to cars. I'm pretty sure a lot of people for this price point will probably get like a lot of soda. So I think it's just easier to get customers to come in store for this promotion. A buy 2, get 3 for free. Haven't seen this in a very long time. And if you are a fan of Coke, they have this deal, the 4 for $23.98, which is not a bad deal. And you can do this as a curbside pickup. I could not get a coupon code to attach with these, so I would recommend to do it in store. You want to see what you're picking up and so on and so forth. Do it sooner than later. I really think because the soda deals are so cheap this week at Walgreens, they might get cleared out in your area. Yesterday's in-store video is linked right here, and we will catch you all in the next one. Bye, guys.